Hey guys, Ryan here, and if you're watching this, it's because you received one of these for your vehicles because we are switching $14.99 back to $19.99. So here are some tips and tricks on how to get these on easily without any wrinkles. So let's check it out. So the first thing you want to do is use your towels, some alcohol, clean off the surface. So once you have the surface prepared and cleaned, what we're going to do is find the location where we want to place the number, and then we're going to tape across the top to hold it into place. So making sure the decal completely covers the old number, and apply the masking tape. You can see how this creates almost like a hinge. Now we're going to moisten the area underneath where the decal will go. Doing this will allow us to manipulate the decal a little bit once it's applied, to remove any bubbles. So next we will remove the backing from the decal very carefully. Take your squeegee, starting at the top, where the masking tape is holding the decal in place. And we're just going to gently apply the decal on. At this point you can remove the masking tape. Once you have it on there really good, you can remove the top masking from the decal. Again, going over it to make sure you removed any bubbles, remove any excess moisture, and you're all set. As always, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I'd be glad to help. Thank you.